Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can blur an image in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to add your image and then press on your image and you'll be able to see a top bar. So you're going to click on edit and then you're going to scroll down and you find an option of blur under the effects tab. Click on blur, and if you wish to blur the entire image, make sure that you have selected whole image over here. If you want to blur just some specific sort of elements on the image, you can click on brush and just brush over those areas. For this tutorial, I wish to blur the whole image. So you're going to click on whole image and select your intensity of blur. So you can make it 100, but that will be extremely blur. I suggest you to do it between 20 to 50, and then you'll be able to see that the image is now blurred. So that was basically how you can blur an image in Canva. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.